My name is Liana Deeb. I'm 22 years old, and in Ramadan 2023, I made the decision to wear the hijab, which is also known as the headscarf. And this also meant that I had to delete all my content on every single platform. And to be honest, my biggest fear wasn't deleting all my content. It was losing the relationship with my audience and wondering if I was still going to be relatable. But I had to stay true to my beliefs, and that also meant my fitness app, Lift with Liana, had to be changed. I had to remove all the content from the app. And today is finally the day where all the content has been officially uploaded, from me being uncovered to fully covered. And this is also the new start to Lift with Liana, a fitness app that is not just about fitness and training for our physique. It's about finding the true strength within you and being the best version of yourself. I hope you enjoy the app, and I can't wait to continue to train together.